Today we will learn about Introduction to Cascading Style Sheets, CSS, the style tag selectors in HTML. Introduction to Cascading Style Sheets, CSS. Cascading Style Sheets, CSS, is a style sheet language used for describing the presentation of a document written in markup language such as HTML. It provides a way to separate content from presentation, making it easier to maintain and update the appearance of a website. CSS works by selecting elements in an HTML document and applying styles to them. These styles can control everything from font size and color to layout and animation. CSS can be applied inline within an HTML element in a style tag, within the head section of an HTML document, or in an external style. The style tag allows for more efficient and organized styling of web pages instead of repeating the same styles for multiple elements. They can be defined once in the style tag and applied to all relevant elements. The style tag is used to define styles for HTML documents. It is placed within the head section of an HTML document and contains CSS rules that apply to the entire document or specific elements within the document. The style tag allows for more efficient and organized styling of web pages instead of repeating the same styles for multiple elements. They can be defined once in the style tag and applied to all relevant elements. Tag selectors in HTML. Tag selectors are used to select all instances of a particular ATTL tag and apply styles to them. For example, the tag selector P would select all paragraphs in an HTML document. Tag selectors can be combined with other selectors to create more specific styles. For example, the selector DP would select all paragraphs within a div element. Thanks for watching. Wait for more informative video.